Okay, good morning, guys. Just an update on the inverse head and shoulders here, which is a possible trade that we could go ahead on. My video is down in the description below on the previous when it first started developing on the head when I posted that video, and now we can actually see we are starting to climb as we're watching this now coming through. I'm just having a look at the same time as this is the Bitcoin dominance at the moment. We've peaked up there to around about the 48.24%. We come back down, and that's why we've actually come back down on this section over here. Now the Bitcoin dominance is looking to go up a bit, and hopefully we can break through resistance here, and then we can actually push up to this section and then reach the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders, and hopefully if it all plays out, we can reach our target of around about, I'm looking at around about 38. The best case scenario, I don't think we're going to reach 40,000, not in this cycle, but I'm hoping we can actually reach this top of the box, which is a complete area of value where we've got a lot of support and resistance, which is now currently all resistance, guys. Okay, so what I found out now as well in this chart is that we've got another downward sloping trend line, which is resistance, okay, which is taken from this point on the top here, from the local all-time high, which is around about the 41,324 price level, which is the resistance in this level at the moment. We need to break through there and then break through this short-term downward sloping resistance. Okay, so we've got a lot of resistance to get through in order to reach our target up in this area over here. Okay, at the moment now, looking at the charts, we could get rejected and come back down and bounce off this support line, downward sloping support line, and then carry on and have a larger shoulder, which could be forming right over there. Okay. So then now obviously we would have a shorter target on the top, and then we could see exactly during the course of the day, I mean right at the bottom here, I mean that's a breakout at about on the 26th of June. Now the 26th of June is a Saturday. I don't think so, guys. Let's just keep tabs on this as long as we go, and we watch this pattern. Okay, so we have got a lot of resistance to get through to and get through and get past, and then we'll see how the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, plays out. Okay, I'm just going to update everything here back to the original chart that I had. Okay, so now we're also looking at the channel that we're in. Once again, I have had drawn the trend line coming down there, downward sloping trend line. Okay, so to that pivotal high over there. Okay, so that section over there, we need to break. We're currently in support now. We've broken through and we're currently now in support. So hopefully we can be waiting for that section that's going to come through, and we can pump up to the upside. Okay, and break all these resistance areas, that resistance area and this current level of resistance here, which is quite a big resistance in this area. Okay, so let's wait and see and assess later on and see what happens in the Bitcoin price. I am expecting a little bit of a pullback down to this level. The reason why is because in our other chart that I have here now, I'll bring it across so you guys can see. Okay, close there, make it bigger. All right, so let's have a look here. I'm going to draw a upward sloping trend line that seems to me that we are following. Okay. I'll just put it there exactly on that wick down below. Okay, so if we do break this upward sloping trend line now, then we are going to come back down. Okay, I have placed an order now around about the 33,000K level. So hoping that it's not going to come down. But what I'm seeing on the chart here, like I've explained in my EMA and MA trading strategy video, the link will be down below. You guys can have a look at it. Please watch it. It explains what to look out for. Now, over here, we're getting a cross of the 21 EMA, which is the blue line, and the 20 MA, which is the light green line. We are about to get a cross over here. Okay, we are above the 21 EMA, and every time we get a cross, pump, we get a pump. Okay, price goes up. The distance between the two lines gets wider and wider until it starts getting closer again, and then we know we're going to consolidation. Once we get a crossover again, the green line, the 20 EMA is above the 21 EMA, then price is indicating and showing us that the price is starting to come down again. Okay, so now we are about to get across. This is why I'll put in a provisional order over here, because price could come back down, break the upward sloping trend line, and then come back up. Okay, which I've explained over here. Price could come back down, upward sloping trend line, which happens to just be the end part of the right shoulder, come back down and go back up. Okay, so let me draw it there. So might break there and come back up. Okay, hopefully we can bounce off that line. We can bounce off that line and keep bouncing and keep going until we're up at our target over here. Okay, so this could be a very long trade. It could last until the 29th, until the end of the month. Okay, but yeah, that's the way the Bitcoin price goes at the moment. Just look, let's just quickly go across to the Bitcoin dominance again. So yeah, we are showing a slight increase in percentage-wise, where money is slowly going back into Bitcoin and coming out of the altcoins. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for today. That's my possible trade scenario, which I am looking at. And let's see, I'll update it as I go along. Follow me on Twitter. I will post updates there. Obviously, it goes quicker. The videos take time to upload on YouTube as well. So, yep, there, guys, that's it. Okay, so now, obviously, let me just explain to you, if we do get a break, if you get a break out of this neckline over here, guys, what we're looking for is the Bitcoin price to come up, break up to whichever level. It might even just go up to this level, come back down. Okay, it might even come back down to that, just underneath, and then show signs of coming back, and then hopefully break that level that we've just gone through. And then that point there, this point here, guys, that's when you open up your trade. Okay, that's the safest way to open up your trade, because now we've broken the resistance line, okay, where we got rejected from before, and then we push up further. Okay, if you can push up further through this whole section here, where the resistance is over here and the resistance is over there, and then hopefully we can push up again. A lot of buying pressure, hopefully, and then we can carry on, and then we come back down. Okay, for more consolidation. Okay, because we're still in this channel, guys. We're still in this channel, and we're waiting for eventually one day we can break out. Okay, so let's have a look. See, I'm going to be doing a video on the 2-week RSI, stock RSI. If we get a cross up here and we break above the 20 or 25% level, like we got a cross over there, and we broke above, and then price went straight up. Okay, remember, this is a 2-week chart on the Bitcoin US dollar index. Okay. Just want to see anything else here where I can show you hash ribbons, guys. Hash ribbons. I don't know if you know about the hash ribbons. We were coming down like quite fast, and now we started to level out a bit. The more we level out, the chances are we coming back up again. Once these two lines cross over again, then that will indicate a buy signal. Okay, so there's your buy signal, and look what happened with the price. So this is a good indication of when to buy. Okay, a safe bet of when to buy. Okay, the price did come down, but then price went straight up again. Okay, so I'll do a video on this later during the week and explaining how the hash ribbons work and why we've got this oscillator and how it works and the formula that works around it. Okay. This is just our upward sloping trend line on the 6 month chart, guys. The price is still going up there quickly. And then obviously if it goes in between the 30 and the 29K, that price region, then there's a gravestone doji that could form in 6 days and 15 hours time. Okay, if price goes back down. Okay, it might come back down to our level, okay, of this level over here. All right, so price could come back down to this level over here, and it could even come down and do a double bottom, and then from there we could have another push up to the upside. Okay, so this could be a double bottom. Technically, yes, it could be. Technically, no, it couldn't be. Okay, we have to wait and see what price action tells us in the time of what the Bitcoin price is currently doing at the moment. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just a quick update. Follow me on Twitter, like and subscribe and share this video. And there'll be more content coming through this week on a few other charts that I'm looking at. So yeah, stay tuned, stay connected, and safe trading, guys. Make sure you put your stop losses in, and don't go all in yet, guys, because remember, we're still in a downtrend. Okay, so longing in a downtrend is more risky than longing in an uptrend. Okay, because we're in a downtrend now at the moment. Okay, so be wary of that, be cautious, and use risk management. Okay, if you're going to do a leverage trade, I would only do, if you're an inexperienced trader, I would only be doing a 3x, not more than a 5x, guys. Okay, all right, guys, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon, probably tomorrow. Cheers, man. Bye-bye.